Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook error performing query issue. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, this error right here occurs when the app or browser sends a request to Facebook database and it cannot be completed. And this is usually caused by a temporary server glitch, a corrupted account access token, or a marketplace region mismatches or outdated app files. Now, to fix this, if you can't open Facebook, if you can't open it, just try to at least log out. Log out your account and then just log back in and test it out. If that still won't work, close it. Find the Facebook app, tap and hold, and then tap on the information icon. If you're using iOS, just go ahead over to Settings, General, then iPhone Storage, then go ahead and tap on Facebook and offload the application. For Android, find Storage, clear cache, and after that, clear data. Once that's done, close this one. Go ahead over to your Play Store or App Store and just basically find Facebook, just like so. If there's an update button, go ahead and tap on update, wait for the process to finish and open it up. Log into your account and check if it helps. All right. If that still won't work, lastly here, you can go ahead and try to log into a browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, or any other browsers. Just go ahead over to facebook.com or m.facebook.com, log in with your account, log in, and once logged in, close it. Close. If you have Facebook running, close it as well, and make sure that everything is cleared. So why do we need to do that? So as I've said earlier, sometimes your local account session token gets corrupted, which confuses the app. All right. So once everything is done, again, open up Facebook, log in with your account if needed. And once done, you should be good to go. That is how you fix Facebook error performing query issue. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.